Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR5 kit, specifically designed for servers and workstations. This isn't your average memory upgrade. It's a performance injection for demanding environments. NEMIX RAM is a name you might not immediately recognize, but they've built a reputation as a reliable distributor and manufacturer of computer memory and storage upgrades. They specialize in enterprise-level RAM, focusing on servers, workstations, and even NAS devices. This particular kit is a 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 RDIMM, running at a speedy 4,800 MHz. It's PC 5-38400 rated, operates at a low 1.1 V, and has a CL40 latency. It's also ECC registered, which is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. The key benefit here is enhanced performance. Memory upgrades are often the most cost-effective way to breathe new life into a system, and NEMIX RAM aims to deliver exactly that. By upgrading, you can expect snappier response times, smoother multitasking, and an overall boost in system performance, especially under heavy workloads. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting it can be done in minutes. Of course, always consult your server's manual for specific instructions, but the process is typically quite simple. NEMIX RAM stands behind its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues during installation or operation. This NEMIX RAM kit is specifically compatible with servers like the Dell PowerEdge R6625. If you're running a similar system, this could be a great option to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.